I am Woon, the person in charge of Goodnight Cleaning Service. Many of you may not have thought about why do I have asthma or why I have allergic skin problems or allergic rhinitis. For example, problem of sinus. In fact, there is a high possibility that your bed has not been cleaned for a long time, is too dirty, has too many dust mites, too many bed bugs and too many bacteria on it. That's why Goodnight launched a cleaning service for everyone, our Goodnight Cleaning Service itself. It consists of 12 steps. First step, we will first have a dust measurement just to help you see how dirty your bed is. Next, we will start our flapping vacuum. Flapping vacuum is a tapping style vacuum cleaner. How is it different from others' vacuum? Common vacuum cleaner relying solely on the vacuum cleaner suction power to suck up the dust. And we also have a flapping head. It will indeed suck out all the dust hidden in the seams and wash it away. This is very different from others. So the third point, then we will do steam cleaning. Steam cleaning is a very important process of using our steam to kill viruses and bacteria. Whether it is dust mites or bed bugs, we use our steam cleaning because the temperature of our steam cleaning is above 120 degrees. This ensures that the dust mites and their eggs can be killed. Then the fourth step is to spray our detergent on the surface of the bed. Our detergent has a halal certificate. It is non-toxic to the human skin and completely and thoroughly meets all the requirements of the Malaysian Ministry of Health, fully and absolutely, ensuring compliance. Afterward and subsequently, we will turn on the Goodnight diffuser to make the customer's bedroom smell pleasantly better, more inviting and more welcoming, and completely eliminate the smell of the detergent. After that, we start our wet wash step. We will start to try to wash away the dirt, to remove all the dirt and then suck up all the dirt. Then we will spray our repellent. It is a repellent for dust mites and bed bugs. After spraying the insect repellent, we offer an additional service that others don't, which is a blowing process. There are many cleaning services out there that, after cleaning the mattress, ask you to turn on the fan or air conditioner to dry the bed yourself, or put it out to dry in the sun. Actually, this is very inconvenient, but our Goodnight Cleaning Service is different from others. We have our own blower to help you dry the bed, so when we leave your house, your bed is actually dry, ready to have your bed sheets put on it, and you can go sleep on it if you want. Then our next step is to, while we drying mattress, we will clean the area around the bed, not just the area around the bed. We also clean the customer's bed frame, so that not only the bed, but also your bed frame will be clean. Then our last step is to use UV light for thorough disinfection of the mattress. So these are the 12 steps of our Goodnight Cleaning Service. Many cleaning services may only focus on cleaning the dirty stains thoroughly for you, but our Goodnight Cleaning Service is comprehensive. We not only remove stains, but also sterilize and dry the bed. We are different from other cleaning services. Goodnight is a mattress manufacturer, so we know that if the mattress surface is always kept in a damp environment, it is actually not good for your bed. So our Goodnight Cleaning Service also has a blow drying action. When our Goodnight Hero leaves your home, your bed is already dry. So for our Goodnight Cleaning Service, our goal is to make every household in Malaysia have a cleaner bed and a better sleep quality to promote a restful night. This is the service that Goodnight Cleaning Service provides to you.